Hey guys, stay tuned until the end so I can give you this recipe. So this is for hair growth, and this is actually a tonic water, so you can use it every time you wash your hair. You can use it while you have braids. If you keep your hair curly, you can use it. If you do the roller sets, you can use it prior to getting your hair dry, blow dry, or under the dryer. You can use it every day. It has no smell, only initially when you put it in, but it only smells like cinnamon, and then the smell disappear. But it's really good for hair growth. Even though I keep cutting my hair, I do like my hair to grow. Eventually I will definitely let it grow, but for now I just like it to grow. And I do this for my daughters, and I also put it in my hair because it's really healthy and it keeps well. You make it as a tea and you put it in a spray bottle, and then you can spray it in your hair and you massage your hair. You can do this every day. It doesn't matter. I hope it helps. Follow us.
Got a white boy on my roster, he be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday like, what you doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay, hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by day 50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, cash out Pazelle. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'ma see you a stack just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go, they just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes, might just be on there, in different area codes. He know what's up. Everywhere I go, every time I pop out, I call and they drop the low. Drop that fucking location.